I know you want to see what this was for, but first I want to show you how I made it. Alright, Brahams, here we are in Fusion 360. What I did was just made a simple shape, really. It was pretty much a rectangle. I'll show you here in the sketch. Let it just sketch. So I started with a rectangle and then cut out this slot, which is 4 millimeters, which is the same thickness as our whole body. These are fillets. They are 3 millimeters, all of them. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Then the trick was, I don't know if any of you guys ever done patterns, it can be tricky, but how they get that border effect is by making the border, obviously, with like an offset. And then when you extrude that, you make it a new body. So this body is a new body. So these bodies are separate. So when you make your pattern, it actually stops there. It can't go no further, and it cuts it cleanly. So if you get your pattern centered up pretty good, it comes out really nice. And if you want a video on how to do the pattern, or another pattern like maybe stars or something, just drop a comment below and we'll get her done. Now I was going to put a border right here. If I did that, I'm pretty sure somebody would have picked up on that right away and knew exactly what it was going to be. So then, instead of redrawing and doing everything all over, all I did was take this one and I did the save as and gave it another name. And then we have this other one, or was it this one? What is this one? And then I cut the hole out right here. And that's pretty much it on the design. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't put up anything that's not mine. So you won't see a video of me just going on someone else's page and downloading a file and making a video of it. Everything you see on my channel is something that I designed. Now I wanted to do a shout out here. So this user clock U8B actually came up with what it was. And he said, make it so the short orange part is on the ground and the long orange part is up. Then put the phone on the short black part. Then you can put a charger through that hole and charge it too. Good deal. That's exactly what it is. It's a phone holder, and let me show you how I get into that. Okay, so we just put our two pieces together. Like so. Okay. And we put our cord up through that hole. And we set our phone on it. Just like so. It's just a two-piece phone holder with a cutout for your charging cord. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.